Hello, and welcome to quite a special shop hunt, change, and vending machines episode. This time it's a Portugal special, as I was a bit more than a month in Portugal, and I did over 100 shop hunts and some hours of vending machine hunting, got quite some change, and even got some coin bags at the Banco de Portugal. But these you will see in another video. So these are now finds from the change, shop hunts, and vending machine. And in total there were 29 new coins and quite some other nice finds. So yeah, let's get started with the new 2 euro coins. And we start with a commemorative from France, Charles de Gaulle from 2020. And I will already mention here that it was really hard to find new commemorative coins in Portugal. Found a couple of French ones and also 2 new Portuguese from my collection. But that's it, like with all this effort, just finding 2 new Portuguese commemorative coins is quite bad. But yeah, it was still very successful for the regular coins at least. Anyways, we continue. The next new commemorative coin that I found is also from France, the one from 2021, UNICEF. And another new commemorative is also from France. It's the 2022 for Jacques Chirac. Pretty shiny as well. Was very happy about that find in a vending machine. And then we already come to the Portuguese commemoratives. I found the 2007 Treaty of Rome. This was actually in a shop hunt and a really nice woman where I went to every week, and she also collects and she kept this for me. So yeah, I'm happy about this. It's always nice to make some nice new connection on the shop hunt. And another Portuguese commemorative, the EMU. And this one I actually found on my very first day. I just had a couple of hours in Faro and also went for some shop hunts and to a vending machine, and I found this in a vending machine. And it gave me a lot of hope to find way more in this month. But yeah, unfortunately I didn't. Maybe next time. And yeah, then we already come to some regular coins, to one that I'm really happy about. One of the rare Portuguese standard coins from 2004. I still didn't find any, so no 2004, 5 or 6. But now finally I have at least this one. And then also standard coin from Spain from 2020. And we move on with the new 1 euro finds. There in Portugal I generally found a lot of Irish coins and also quite some new ones. So this is one of them, Ireland 2010. And another new Irish coin, Ireland 2011. And also from Finland I got a new 1 euro from 2012. And really happy about this find, one from San Marino from 2018. Really great to come across this one. I also found it in a vending machine actually. And yeah, then Portugal 2021, 50 cent. And Spain 2018 was also still missing. We move on with the 20 cents. Found the Portugal 20 cent from 2020. and also from 2021. And then I found a couple of new Belgian 10 cents, actually also in the shop with the coin collector lady. So it's 10 cent from 2017, 10 cent from 2018, and Belgian 10 cent from 2019. And then another coin I'm really happy about is the French 2004. I was looking so long for this and now finally I found it. It has a mintage of just around 1.5 million or so. So yeah, happy to come across this rare French one. And then also from Portugal, 2021, 10 cent. And also a new Spanish one from 2020. We move on to the 5 cents. Actually, my girlfriend who visited me for a week found this 5 cent from 2019 from Finland. And another new one for me is this one from the Netherlands from 2022. And also a few new ones from Portugal, the 2020 and the 2021. And with the 2 cents I only have this Spanish one from 2020. Here as usual I didn't get to check many 2 cents and 1 cents. So unfortunately I also didn't find too many new ones. Only this French one, 2019, 1 cent. And this Belgian 2016, which is really nice. Yes, that's it with the new finds. And then there's another Charles de Gaulle as a second find. I actually found, I think, 4 in total, so the others go back to circulation. And then there's also this, Leonardo da Vinci, 2019, it's also a second find. And then some rare coins where I will keep a second piece of. This from Luxembourg, 2020. Ireland, 2008. Portugal, 2016. It's also a rare one with a mintage around 2 million. I actually found it like 2-3 times at least. And Luxembourg, 2005. And of course some more Irish rare ones, one from 2010. I think one piece was actually a new one and this is the second one now. And Ireland, 2012. And then also a rare Irish €2 from 2011. And then one in better quality, although there were a couple more, but I decided to just show one because I was quite happy about this one. It was also on my first day in a restaurant. I asked to see the €2 coins and I saw this shiny one and was already like, oh, Portugal. But it ended up just being Netherlands, but still really nice in this quality. And a few honorable mentions, which are also rare coins. The Luxembourg 2020 I found another time. And as I mentioned before, some more Portugal 2016. Finland 2006. And which I was quite amazed by was the Slovenia 2020. Didn't expect to find a Slovenian commemorative, but I did, and no unique Portugal commemorative. This is pretty crazy. Well, I found a couple of more commemoratives, of course, like some from Germany, France and Italy. Didn't show that here now, but all in all it's really not so good for commemoratives hunting in Portugal. But for the regulars, as you saw, it was quite successful. And it was also okay for the commemoratives. Well, that's it. I hope you liked this special episode. And yeah, there will also be 2 videos about the coin bags, so be sure to check those out. And I look very much forward to see you on the next hunt. Please feel free to leave a like, subscribe and comment, and see you next time.